Hey guys! In this video, we're gonna look at the top 5 kettlebells available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best kettlebells. The 5th product on our list is the Apex APKB-5009. Apex is an all-in-one weight set that includes all you need for muscle building and weightlifting. It comes with a 15-pound weighted handle, 4 non-weighted removable spacer discs, and a 5-pound bottom plate. It is made from solid cast iron and is reinforced with a powder coating. Its textured and durable surface can resist wear and tear, while preventing damage from heavy use at the same time. You can be assured that this equipment will last for a long time. Use this adjustable training gear to customize your workout according to your capacity. You can adjust its weight between 20 and 50 pounds. Just replace the removable spacer discs with the standard 2.5, 5, or 10-pound weights. It is that versatile. Meanwhile, the U-bar handle enables you to perform large movements thanks to its grip. It is specially designed to allow precise control on the bar for optimal grip and superior control. Its pros are: this kettlebell works well with standard 1-inch hole weight plates. It has 50-pound maximum resistance. It is made with solid construction. It comes with an extended handle, and it is affordable. However, the cons are: it only includes spacer discs. Cast iron weight plates are sold separately, and it has a bulkier shape than a standard kettlebell. Apex is excellent for lifting, toning, and strength training exercises. If you already have standard plates at home, getting this equipment should not be a problem for you. Up next in the 4th place is the Best Choice Sky 3566. Best Choice is a set of 3 kettlebells weighing 5, 10, and 15 pounds respectively, all ergonomically designed to help you target all major muscle groups in a variety of exercise options. It has wide and comfortable grips that make these kettlebells easy to hold when you maneuver them during your kettlebell exercises. You can use them on your squats, thrusts, presses, and many more. They are made of heavy-duty material, specifically durable HDPE and cement. So expect these high-quality kettlebells to be around your home gym for years to come. Fortunately, storing them is entirely hassle-free. The set comes with a base rack that provides the easy and organized storage of these kettlebells when you are not using them. The black plastic exterior gives off the same look and feel of classic cast iron kettlebells. Moreover, they come with the clear, color-coded weight markings of each kettlebell for added convenience. Its pros are: this kettlebell set is perfect for beginners. It comes with an excellent price for 3 functional kettlebells. They feature a wide and comfortable textured handle, and it has its own kettlebell stand. However, the cons are: the weights may be too light for experienced users, and the plastic exterior may feel a bit cheap. If you are a beginner and have never worked on kettlebells before, Best Choice Sky 3566 kettlebell set is a good starting point. They are not too heavy and they are budget friendly. Still haven't found the kettlebell that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Yes4All Combo. Yes4All has a kettlebell with high-quality cast iron with a vinyl-coated finish, and it can come in various sets. One set is the 15 and 20-pound kettlebell set. Each kettlebell is encased with multiple color-coded vinyl. This is to increase durability, protect the flooring, and enhance the appearance while preventing corrosion and reducing noise. They have broad, smooth handles made of high-quality textured steel. These allow you to hold the kettlebells in a comfortable and secure grip when doing your high reps, making chalk unnecessary when using them. The bottom of the kettlebell is made flat so that it can be stable enough for upright storage. It also helps in renegade rows, handstands, mounted pistol squats, and other exercises. This kettlebell set is ideal for any age and gender. Because of the two different weights, anyone wanting to improve their strength and endurance can choose what weight works for them. Its pros are: this combo consists of two sizes. The vinyl coat protects the floor from scratches. It can accommodate various grips, and it is affordable. However, since their wide handles are better for two-handed routines, they may feel awkward when doing a single-handed gripping. But if you prefer two-handed exercises, you should consider Yes4All Combo. It comes in two weight sets in a rugged vinyl coating that will protect your floors from scratch, so you will not have to worry about it when you work out. The second product on our list is the Cap Barbell. The Cap Barbell is a versatile kettlebell that can work well with specific muscle group exercises or a full body workout. Made with solid, high-quality cast iron with no weld and seam casting, it is coated in an industrial powder finish for long-lasting protection. It is available in various weights, from 5 pounds to 50 pounds in 5-pound increments, and from 60 pounds to 80 pounds with 10-pound increments. The handle comes with a generous wide opening, so it is comfortable to hold. It also does not matter if you will use only one hand or both of your hands. You can be assured that it will be secure in your grip. Meanwhile, the flat bottom is there for easy and safe storage of the kettlebell in an upright position. However, this is also helpful when doing that specific flat bottom kettlebell exercises like renegade rows and handstands. You can also use it for your swings, deadlifts, squats, get-ups, snatches, and other athletic and cross-training workouts. Its pros are: the handle is comfortable to hold. It provides even weight distribution. It comes with a solid construction and high-quality finish. And there is a wide range of weight selection suitable for a lot of exercises. However, the cons are: it could use a rubber coating on the base to prevent damage to the floors, and you may need to wear workout gloves as the smooth finish makes it hard to grip when sweating. Cap Barbell is an ideal kettlebell for anyone looking for a gear that can help them sculpt and tone their entire body. Its well-balanced weight distribution and convenient handle make it easy to tailor workouts, mainly if you have limited time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top kettlebell is the ZIVA Premium. ZIVA Kettlebell is a must-have if you want to diversify your workout, CrossFit sessions, and bodybuilding exercises. It is a proven workout gear for building arm, ab, and core muscle strength. Made with virgin rubber and urethane, this kettlebell comes with many weight options ranging from 5 to 90 pounds with 5-pound increments. The handle has a rubber finish that provides a sturdy grip. You will not have to worry about accidentally dropping the kettlebell when you are using it. Its ergonomic structure and durable solid cast steel construction make it easy to handle even when you are doing your most strenuous workouts. Moreover, the rubber coating makes sure that it will not damage your floors when you put it down. Tested for its quality, ZIVA has outperformed its competitors. It is perfect for balance training, power transfers, and directional changes. You can immediately feel the difference when using this kettlebell. Its pros are: this kettlebell comes with an odorless design. It comes with an ergonomic comfort grip. The virgin rubber coating protects the floors. And there is a wide range of weight selection from 5 to 90 pounds. However, the cons are, well, there are not any. That alone should be enough to convince you why ZIVA Premium is the go-to option when looking for the best kettlebell in the market. Its versatility is sure to provide you with everything you need when working out. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.